How much of your business revenue this year came from emails? If your answer is less than 30%, then you are doing it wrong. And you're of course missing a lot of potential revenue. In this video, I'll show you how to make email marketing the biggest driver of profit for your business in 2025. Plus, I'll also give you an email content calendar you can use to make the planning smooth and quick for you. All right? So let's dive in. If you plan to make email marketing your biggest profit generating channel in 2025, I have 5 powerful steps for you. If you follow it religiously, I guarantee you that the revenue you get from emails will make up at least 40 to 60% of your total revenue. And of course, with very minimal effort and cost. Let's quickly get into it. So here's the first truth bomb. If you are not actively building your email list, you are not building a real business. Yeah, list building is not optional, it is essential. It baffles me to see people run ads, build social media following, and even do SEO, and yet they are not channeling them into their email list. Now, I'll be very honest with you. Emails will bring in 30 times more sales for you than any other channel. If you have 50k followers on your social platform and 10k subscribers on your email list, you still make far more money from your email list than from the huge followers you have on social media. I've experienced it, and practically everyone who has tried both email and social media platform or social media marketing will tell you this, okay? So in this 2025, make list building a priority. Use every avenue you can to get subscribers to join your email list. Add pop-ups to your website that offers your visitors something related to your business in exchange for their emails. This could be free consultation, courses, templates, discounts, or whatever you think they will value. All right. Create opt-in forms on your blogs so that the traffic coming from SEO will also convert to subscribers. And if you are doing social media marketing, make sure you continuously mention your landing page where you capture their emails. And on your bio page, banners, and every media you use to promote your business, make sure you have a link to the page where you are capturing your potential customers' email. All right. I have a video that talks more about this, so make sure you watch it after. Next up, you should email your subscribers often. And I mean often. Now, here's something I observed. A lot of businesses are nervous about this because they think they will annoy their subscribers. But here's the truth. Your real fans won't leave. In case you don't know, there are businesses that email their list daily. Yeah, practically every day. And yet they still have a loyal, engaged audience. Do you know why? It's because their emails always bring something of value and their subscribers look forward to it. If people unsubscribe, it's totally fine. And in fact, it's actually a good thing. And I'll tell you why. Those that unsubscribe, we are not your true fans, and they will probably never become your customers. So you don't need them. But for those who stay and read your every email, they are your true and loyal fans. And they are the ones who will buy from you again and again. So how do you get your subscribers to love your emails and look forward to it? Here are 3 things you should always do. First, you should make your emails valuable. Share tips, personal stories, or insider secrets that make readers feel like they are getting special insights. All right. Secondly, you should make the emails personal. You should know that people are drawn to emails that sound like they are from a friend, not a company. So in your emails, share experiences and let your personality shine. Thirdly, you should make your emails fun to read. Yeah. Even if your business is serious, your emails don't have to be stuffy, okay? So try a little humor or a light-hearted story now and then just to keep things afresh. When you keep your emails engaging, people look forward to hearing from you and not the other way around, okay? And this brings me to the 3rd step you must take to make 2025 your year of email revenue boom. Imagine for a second that you bought a course from me that teaches you how to get started with email marketing. Now, how would you feel if I keep sending you emails promoting that course even after you've bought it? You find it pissing, right? That's exactly how your subscribers feel if you don't segment and personalize your emails. So if you haven't segmented your audience yet, do so right now to hit more bull run in your emails this 2025. You can start it small by segmenting your subscribers into 2. That's leads and buyers. Leads are subscribers that haven't bought your offer, and buyers, of course, are those that have taken you up on your offer. With this, you'll be able to say the right thing to the right people. All right. And of course, there are more advanced ways to segment your audience. I'll cover this in another video which I'll release later. So be sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. All right. Once you have your segments, set up automated welcome sequence for each group. For example, new subscribers might get a series of emails that introduce your brand, your story, and how they can benefit from sticking around, while new buyers receive post-purchase emails to guide them on how to get the most out of their purchase. And don't forget, use these segments when you are sending out broadcasts too, okay? Tailor your message to fit each group and you see a huge difference in engagements and conversions. So let's continue to the next step you must take to make 2025 your email bull run. Following a content plan is key to staying consistent and relevant. And my favorite approach is the 80-20 email content rule. Here's what that means. 80% of the emails you send out should contain valuable information for your subscribers, something they can learn from, implement, and see quick wins. All right. Then the remaining 20% will be where you sell your offer. So if you are sending 10 emails a month, 8 will be value packed and 2 will be promotional. When you invest in them through the value emails, they will reciprocate when you promote to them. Now, while planning your content calendar, make sure to factor in sales hotspots. I'm talking about those seasons where people are ready to spend more. Think holidays, Black Fridays, Thanksgiving, and so on. Use these days to run special promotions or events that get your subscribers excited. And here's another tip. Try to have some kind of special offer or promo every month or at least every quarter. It doesn't have to be huge, but just enough to remind people why they are on your list and why your offers are valuable. Remember, promotions are the avenue through which you generate revenue from your emails, okay? So don't be afraid to ask for the sale regularly. Now, a bonus tip for you. Even if you are not running a sale, you can still sell in every email. Yeah, it doesn't have to be pushy. Just add a subtle pitch in your PS or include a link in your signature. That can help you get consistent sales from every email you send, even if you are not actively promoting anything within it. All right. Finally, let's look at the last point to bear in mind if you want to hit a bull run with emails this 2025. This one is often overlooked, but it is critical. Always keep your email list clean. Now, no matter how great your emails look, there are people who will get tired at some point and so they will stop reading your emails. If you are holding on to these inactive subscribers, it's going to hurt your engagement rates, which can affect your deliverability. So take a look at your list every 3 to 6 months. Find those subscribers who have not opened an email in ages and consider re-engaging them or completely removing them. You can even send out a re-engagement email series to see if they are still interested. And if they are not, it's better to let them go than to hold on to a dead weight. All right. Just so you know, a clean engaged list is way more valuable than a big inactive list. All right. Now, let me add a bonus point for you. Keep an eye on your metrics. You should watch your metrics like a hawk. All right. You see, your open rates, click-through rates, and unsubscribe rates tell you exactly what's working and what's not. So if a certain type of email gets high opens, double down on that style. If your unsubscribe spike after a certain type of message, consider rethinking your approach. Metrics are your feedback loop. They help you continuously improve, and you should make it a habit to check them after every campaign. So there you have it. If you follow these steps, you'll be way ahead of the game in email marketing in 2025. Each one builds on the last, so don't skip any. They are all essential for making email a true revenue driver for your business. Now, I created an email marketing planner for you. It's going to help you plan your email content for 2025. It's free and the link is in the description. So be sure to download it now and put it to use. Remember, the earlier you plan and execute, the more revenue you can make from emails in 2025. And if you loved this video, like it, comment and share it with your friends who you think will learn something from it. All right. Cheers and wishing you a boom in 2025.